Hi guys, today we are going to cover up Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Service, what all feature available and how we can use that one. So let's move on the topic. So in this portal you can able to see Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Service is nothing but it's a cloud service. In a cloud service, it is providing you some services, some sort of services which will reduce the human load and reduce the customer load. So let's move on this. Here we have a different tools. You can see here, if you go to this portal you can able to see some Amazon services, E2, EC2, S3, and this one, Amazon Aura. Like that you can able to see number of services. In that, if you click in any tool you can able to see number of other services as well. So EC2 is nothing but here you can able to create some instance infrastructure from here. So here you will get some number of flavor regarding OS level, some in operating system you will get a Windows level and some command level. So like that you will have number of flavor. With the in S3 you will have a storage flavors, and you also have some database flavors. Just have to click on the services RDS. Here in RDS you will have some relational database as well as no SQL database. So based on your requirement you just have to click the services and you have to pay what you are using. So in this, how you can use the resource and how you can reduce the cost. So let's say if you are using any services, you just have to pay for services and not for the entire server. In our physical machine you just have to pay for hardware, software, batteries and maintenance, as well as you have to keep some resource. But here it is not required. You just have to pay what you required, but the system and Amazon team will taking care your backup and management activity, patches activity, and it will ensuring the Amazon team will ensure you there is no downtime, and it will ensure your data backup, and it will ensure you there is no data loss. So here you will have number of flavor. In that you will have a bunch of services. Based on your requirement you can select, and based on your requirement you just have to drill up, drill down and select the resource. Let's say if you want to select a memory 4 GB, 8 GB, or storage 10 GB or 100 GB. Based on your requirement you just have to pay. So for a pricing scale you can see in the third column you can able to see how the price matter, and based on your cost calculation you just have to pay, and you will get a prompt also. Once you taken the services, it will generate the prompt and it will show where the cost actual consuming. So in this you can you will get some idea where you can reduce the cost also. So hope you enjoy my session. So if you have any doubt or anything more requirement, kindly drop on my comment box, and hope you enjoy my session. So we will meet on next topic. Thank you so much for watching.